Well, one good thing from this whole pandemic thing or whatever, I guess, is the stimulus that came along with it, and we're going to put it to good use. You had a problem before with the head on the air compressor losing a reed, right? You see that one there's those holes. Those holes there keep getting stripped out. I just opened them up and tapped them to the next bigger size and put new screws and stuff in there. And it worked for a couple of weeks. But yesterday I heard it. I was using the cutoff wheel to make the shims here for the front brakes that go in between. We need two or three little ones in there, a fat one and then a skinnier one and then a real skinny one. And I was cutting them out with a cutoff wheel, real thin cutoff wheel, and I noticed that the compressor was struggling. So I thought, uh-oh, she's losing the lung again. And then I ran it too long, and I knew it was laboring, and I was trying to squeak it out, and then it went crunch, and we just found out why. Yeah, the screws got inside there, and knocked a hole in that piston. So luckily, we can buy a new pump. New pumps are relatively cheap. We got a place right around the block over here on the next boulevard over, Metro air compressor. This is, I'd like to rebuild it because it's, as you can see, it's made in the USA. It's cast iron. They don't make them like this one here, man. I've had this thing since I got out of auto body school, man, a lifetime ago. This thing's got 1,000,000 miles on it. I've welded on the bottom of the tank because the tank started rusting and leaking near the drain underneath. So we'll go over and talk to the guys over there and see if there isn't a way to fix it. I mean, we could just take it over to Tony's and weld it. It's just an air compressor. It's not an engine, so it just pumps air. We could probably weld that up. It doesn't look like the cylinders hurt at all. Looks like the screw banged right through there. But, I'm going to have to fix all this up again. See if it can be saved. That's what happens when you're using the daylights out of it. Talk to y'all. Hey, Cher.